Here is a little problem that I will hopefully will solve for a bunch of people here. If you're a screen printer and want to do your color separations quickly, a lot of the times you just design um, without thinking about that and then need to go separate it when you get ready to make your film. So right now what I have is just the design ready to get prepared for film. However, everything is just stuck on one layer. I've got a lot of white like overlay stuff and brushes. So I'm going to show you some quick ways to um, get the colors separated, and you can print your film really easily through Illustrator. So the first thing you want to do is select everything, and you want to make sure that you have everything expanded, all your text outlined. So just make sure you go there, expand appearance, expand, and then also type create outlines if you haven't done that, and that will turn everything into a shape. The next thing I do is then pull up my pathfinders, and I use this one called merge, and that just merges every overlapping path. And so right now it's looking at all the paths and overlapping them. And then what I want to do is get rid of all of the white in the design. So I look for anywhere where there might be some white, and I select it. You'll see there's white selected here. And then I'm just going to go in here and say select same fill color, and it will select everything on the page that is white, and then I'll delete that away. So I just deleted it. One good way to check this is you put a solid color behind your shape or your art, and so now I can see, okay, I put a yellow square behind this. Everywhere where there was white is now gone, and I can separate my colors very easily. So the next step is to figure out which color you want to move to a different layer. I'll call this one blue. I'll make a new layer called red. And I don't have to go in there and hand pick all of the red, because once again you can use that awesome feature called select same fill color. So I select with my direct selection one object that is red, and I'll go up and say select same fill color, and it'll all be highlighted. And then in Illustrator, when you highlight something or select something from a layer, it shows up here as a square. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that square and drag it up to the red layer. And so now everything that's red is on my red layer. Everything that's blue is on my blue layer. And I have a really nice separated artwork design. I can add some registration marks. I can turn my layer to my solid black and then go ahead and print the individual film and save you hopefully a lot of time if that's something you did not know how to do before. So there it is.